Hi besties, cook my jollof rice with me. Shout out to all my subscribers, God bless you. My returnees, are you there? God bless you too. Please don't go again. If it's your first time watching me, please don't go because this is an amazing family. Let's get started. So, if you've been watching my videos, you will see that this is how I clean my fish, my chicken, my meat, anything protein. Okay, this is how I clean it. It is very important when you are fortunate to cook for yourself, or when you get the opportunity to cook for yourself, make sure to do all this needful. Okay, because the outsiders, those who sell them, don't get the time to clean it. But if you are doing it for yourself, kindly clean it very well. So I use lime and then salt to clean it thoroughly. Okay, as you are seeing. Then I went ahead to divide them into 2 equal parts. Make sure you create incisions after dividing them. Okay, so after dividing them, you can feel free to cook it before you grill or you fry, and you can go ahead and fry it straight. It's optional, depends on you. Okay, so this is our last wash. So I squeezed some of the lime and then I sprinkled some salt and I washed it till the water is crystal clear. Okay, so transferring my chicken wings onto a different bowl. Do you remember this garlic and ginger paste? Yes, this is what I've been using. It is very good. It makes life so easy. So I used 2 cubes. I added some onions, some scallions, and then some salt. Okay, then I went ahead to add some black pepper, some soy sauce, cornstarch. Okay, this is cornstarch. And then go ahead and add some cooking wine if you have some. Okay, it's optional. If you don't have some, just skip that. Okay, and after, just use your hands to massage it very well. The reason why I wear gloves is mostly the garlic. It smells so harsh. So if I use my bare hands and after washing my hands, I can still perceive the garlic. So those my 3 eggs. I broke the egg and then I whisk it and I just poured it on it. And so you mix it again, okay, till everything is well incorporated. All right, mix it very well with your hands. Okay, so let me explain something to you. Okay, so I marinated the chicken 30 minutes before adding the eggs. Okay, so kindly take notes. So I added my other spices as well. So I'm going to go ahead and grill, fry, anyhow you say it. Okay, but I don't know whether this is frying or grilling. So I went ahead and then I placed my pan on the pot and then I added it. Guys, it smells so nice. Okay, go ahead and marinate your chicken as long as you want. Okay, so these are the vegetables and these are the ingredients I'll use for the jollof rice. I have bell pepper, scallions, onions, tomatoes, carrots, and some tomato paste, cured beef, and then my garlic and ginger paste. Okay, so these are the ingredients I'll use. Just look. Please, if you want to know how I did the garlic and ginger paste, just scroll through my videos and then go and watch the procedure. So the chicken has started giving. 10/10 minutes, nothing, baby. Smells nice though. So time to blend the vegetables. So I added the cubes to it. Okay, and then this is it. It looks so beautiful. All right, so these are the chopped vegetables for the jollof. Okay, you're going to set it somewhere quiet so we are ready to use. Guys, just look at my chicken. Just look, beautiful and crunchy. It's crunchy, papa. So I'll add rosemary and bay leaf to my hot oil, and then I'll go ahead and add the tomato paste, and then I'll stir it. Okay, stir it and leave it to cook. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, Most of the time you need to cook your tomato paste because sometimes it tastes weird. So I added my beef and then my garlic ginger paste. Okay, then I have to come and clean my bowl. So in between cooking, I always make sure I clean my plates or the bowls I used. Okay, so that after cooking I don't get extra work doing. So checking the stew. The stew is stewing, right? Yes. So at this point you have to lower your stove, okay, so you don't burn your stew. So that's what I did, and I added my spices. Okay, I added some curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, and salt. Then I added some cube to it. Okay, that is all. So I let it cook for about 5 extra minutes. Then I added the chicken. Okay, so someone will ask, why did you add the chicken? You could have used it raw like that. Yes, you could have used it raw, but I added it because of this. Okay, I wanted to dish some of the stew aside so that I could use it for my spag next time or my rice next time. Okay, that is why I added it. But hey, don't add yours. Okay, it tastes so crunchy and nicer than putting it in the stew. So I went ahead and add my rice. Okay, this is jasmine rice, and as you can see, I'm stirring. Okay, I fried it for 1 minute and I added my water. Okay, the water should be of your preference. Okay, how you want your rice to be, whether soft or one. And I covered it and I let it cook. Okay, at this point, please, you have to lower your stove because your love rice here, if you leave it right now, it's gonna burn and disgrace you, just like that. So I covered it with aluminum foil. Okay, and then you need to be coming to check it from time to time. Stir. Jollof rice like to be stirring all the time. Every few minutes you need to come and then be stirring. Other than that, it's gonna burn. So I can never go without sipping. So let's sip some wine. I'm gonna sip this with you guys because we are doing this together. I'm not doing this alone, right? It's not easy, you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this recipe. If you've watched to this point, then means you like this recipe. God bless you. Cheers, guys. So let's check the jollof rice again and stir. So after stirring, we are going to add our carrots and then bell peppers. Okay, and then stir it to mix. The jollof is halfway cooked. It's almost kind of done, right? So when you realize it's almost done, you add your vegetables, you stir. Make sure that you still maintain the lowered stove. Okay, so you stirred and then you cover, just like that. As I said earlier, you keep checking from time to time so you don't burn it. Okay, that is what I did, and that is what you have to do. Okay, for the newbies, if it's your first time cooking jollof rice, this is what you have to do. So when my jollof was cooked, when it was ready, I switched off my stove. Then I added my spring onions. Okay, because I don't want that to melt or to be soft. So that is it. Easy, isn't it? It's very easy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Please subscribe, share, and like for me. See you in my next video. Bye.